Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Its fascinating rings have captivated humanity for centuries. But have you ever wondered, why does Saturn has rings? I'm Sadusman, and in this video we are going to explore this mystery. To understand the mystery of Saturn rings, we need to travel back in time over 4 billion years ago to the birth of our solar system. As the young sun was surrounded by a swirling disk of gas and dust, the planets began to form. But in the outer reaches of this cosmic nursery, something extraordinary happened. Saturn rings are made up of countless pieces of ice and rock, ranging from tiny grains to massive chunks the size of houses. These particles are the leftovers of ancient celestial bodies, moons, and comets, that were torn apart by Saturn's immense gravitational pull. But why did they stay in rings rather than forming another moon? The secret lies in the Roche limit. To understand this, let's take the example of Earth. Earth's moon is located somewhere here. At this point, tidal forces are trying to stretch and pull apart the moon, but the moon's gravity prevents this from happening, and these two forces balance each other out. But if we move this moon closer to Earth, the tidal forces increase rapidly, and at some point the tidal forces get so high that the moon collapses and transforms into rings. The point where this happens is called the Roche limit. So inside the Roche limit, we get rings. Outside the Roche limit, we get moons. Same is the case with Saturn. As moons and comets ventured too close to Saturn, they were shattered into countless fragments, resulting in the formation of rings. Saturn's rings are not a single solid structure, but rather a complex system of many rings, each with its own unique characteristics. Scientists have identified 7 main rings, labeled A through G, each composed of millions of icy particles, dancing in a delicate cosmic ballet. Thanks to missions like Cassini, we have gained unprecedented insights into these rings. We have discovered that they are dynamic and constantly evolving, shaped by gravitational interactions with Saturn's moon and the planet itself. The rings are younger than the planet, estimated to be around 100 million years old. So why does Saturn have rings? It's a story of cosmic destruction and beauty, of ancient celestial bodies torn apart and transformed into one of the most stunning spectacles in our solar system. Saturn's ring remind us of the incredible forces at work in the universe and the delicate balance that shape our celestial neighborhood. If you found this journey through the rings of Saturn as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.